Cold Exposure 101, Using Brown Fat to Torch Stubborn Fat. Disclaimer. This video is for informational and educational purposes only and does not constitute medical advice. Always consult a healthcare professional for diagnosis or treatment. Cold shower, icy water plunge. Visual presentation of fat cell catabolism. What if I told you that one of the most powerful tools for burning stubborn body fat doesn't involve doing another hour of cardio or cutting your calories even lower? Instead, it involves turning down the thermostat. Brown adipose tissue, BAT, with an animated glow effect. Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into the science of cold exposure and a special type of tissue in your body called brown adipose tissue, or BAT. Unlike the normal fat you're trying to lose, brown fat doesn't store energy, it burns it. And when activated properly through cold exposure, it can turn your body into a natural heat engine that torches calories even after you step out of the cold. By the end of this video, you'll understand the exact science behind how brown fat works, how cold exposure activates it, and the precise step-by-step protocol you can start using today. Let's jump in. White fat versus brown fat, the science on it. On-screen comparison graphic, side-by-side illustration of white fat cell versus brown fat cell. White fat, one large lipid droplet, few mitochondria. Brown fat, multiple small lipid droplets, packed with mitochondria, colored reddish brown. So, to understand why cold exposure is so effective, we first need to look at the two main types of fat in the adult human body, white adipose tissue, WAT, and brown adipose tissue, BAT. White fat is what most of us think of as body fat. Its primary job is energy storage. It acts as an energy reservoir, cushioning your organs and insulating your body. When you have excess calories, they get stored here. Brown fat, on the other hand, acts more like muscle tissue metabolically. It gets its rich brown color from being densely packed with mitochondria, the energy powerhouses of your cells. Brown fat's primary physiological job isn't energy storage, it's thermogenesis, or producing heat to keep your core body temperature stable when exposed to cold environments. Inside the mitochondria of brown fat cells is a special protein called UCP1, uncoupling protein 1. UCP1 bypasses normal cellular energy production, causing calories to be directly dissipated as heat. In short, brown fat consumes calories purely to generate warmth. How cold triggers the fat-burning engine? Animation showing cold signal traveling from skin receptors to brain, hypothalamus, to sympathetic nervous system, release of norepinephrine to BAT, mitochondria lighting up. So, how do we activate this metabolic furnace? When your skin senses a drop in temperature, it sends an immediate alarm signal to your brain's thermal control center, the hypothalamus. Your sympathetic nervous system responds by flooding your bloodstream with a neurotransmitter called norepinephrine. Norepinephrine binds directly to the beta-adrenergic receptors on brown fat cells, sending a signal to start burning fuel. There are two phases of how cold exposure burns fat. 1. Non-shivering thermogenesis. This happens during mild to moderate cold exposure. Your brown fat ramps up its metabolic rate to produce heat before you start shivering. It pulls fatty acids directly from your blood and white fat reserves to feed the fire. 2. Beige fat induction, browning. Here's the coolest part. Regular exposure to cold actually encourages your normal white fat cells to undergo a process called browning. They transform into beige fat, behaving like brown fat and developing their own heat-producing mitochondria. Practical protocols, how to do it. Again, animation showing cold signal traveling from skin receptors to brain, hypothalamus, to sympathetic nervous system, release of norepinephrine to BAT, mitochondria lighting up. Start with cold shower routine and cold outdoor walk now. You don't need to jump into a frozen lake for 20 minutes to get these benefits. In fact, overdoing it can cause unnecessary stress on your body. Here are the most effective, research-backed protocols to activate your bath. The 11-minute weekly rule, Soberg principle. The weekly target. Research led by Dr. Susanna Soberg suggests that aiming for 11 total minutes of cold exposure per week, split across 2 to 4 sessions, about 2 to 3 minutes per session, is enough to trigger significant adaptations in brown fat and metabolic rate. Temperature threshold. The water or environment needs to be uncomfortably cold, but safe, typically around 50 degrees Fahrenheit to 59 degrees Fahrenheit, 10 degrees Celsius to 15 degrees Celsius. Methods you can use. 1. Cold showers. End your normal warm shower with 1 to 2 minutes of full cold water on your neck, upper back, and shoulders, where brown fat deposits are concentrated. 2. Cold plunges or ice baths. Submerging up to the chest or neck provides the fastest norepinephrine spike and brown fat activation. 3. Cold air exposure. Simply going for a walk in brisk weather with minimal layers, for example, a t-shirt in 50 degrees Fahrenheit or 10 degrees Celsius weather, can activate non-shivering thermogenesis. The secret trick and common mistakes. We all make mistakes. If you want to maximize your fat burning potential with cold exposure, you need to know the Soberg principle number 2. End on cold. Stepping out of a cold plunge. Many people make the mistake of immediately jumping into a hot shower or sauna right after cold exposure. While that feels great, it cuts short the metabolic benefit. When you let your body warm itself up naturally, a process called shiver thermogenesis and natural reheating, your muscles and brown fat work overtime to restore your core temperature, burning extra energy for up to an hour afterward. Remember, safety first, always build up tolerance gradually. If you have cardiovascular conditions or high blood pressure, consult a doctor first, as cold water causes temporary vasoconstriction and spikes heart rate. Summary. To wrap it all up. 1. Brown fat burns calories to generate body heat via mitochondria and UCP1. 2. Cold exposure triggers norepinephrine release, turning on non-shivering thermogenesis and converting white fat to beige fat. 3. Aim for 11 total minutes per week split across short sessions. 4. Always end on cold and let your body re-warm naturally. Have you tried cold showers or cold plunges yet? You should try them. Drop a comment below with your experience or questions. If you found this breakdown helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more science-based health and fitness strategies. Thanks for watching, stay cold, and I'll see you in the next video. Always stay safe.